that. All right, we're adding in the peaches. Forgot one thing. It's Friday evening, Mother's Day weekend. We're about to make a raspberry peach tiramisu for this weekend's dessert. We've made lots of different tiramisu recipes, so if y'all want to see more than this one, I'll link them down below. We've made the regular coffee one, a mixed berry one, some other kind that I can't remember at the moment, but I'll have them all linked down below. This weekend we're making the raspberry peach, and we've never tried this one before. We came in from playing a little family baseball game out there, and I got the kitchen cleaned up real quick. The kids are eating a snack before they get ready for bed. Well, I already got Manly ready. So we need peaches. You can use fresh or frozen, but if you use frozen, they need to be thawed. So these have been sitting out the whole time we were out there playing, so they're still a little bit frozen, but I think they'll be fine. Raspberries, I need to wash these real quick. Lady fingers. Now, with the lady fingers, some grocery stores have almost like sponge cake lady fingers. Those are not the kind you want to use. I have used those before, but you have to eat that tiramisu a lot faster because they soak up the liquid a lot faster and it will get really mushy on you. You want to get this kind that are, I'll open them up and show them to y'all. They soak up the liquid fast too, but not like those soft ones do. They're like this. Kind of like a cracker. Yes?
I was wondering if I could have some plain milk.
Yes, you sure can. The next thing we need is mascarpone cheese. So I got 2 of these. You want to make sure you get the regular kind. Sometimes they have different flavors. Ingles has this regular kind and espresso, so make sure you don't grab the espresso. Unless you were making the traditional tiramisu that uses coffee to soak the lady fingers in, I think the espresso mascarpone would be really good with that. Since we're doing a fruit one, we have the regular. And it's sometimes hard to find this cheese in our grocery store. It's over with the specialty cheeses in Ingles. I'm not sure where Walmart keeps it. I can't even remember if I've ordered this from Walmart before, but if you don't see it in the regular cheese section, like where cream cheese and stuff is, check the specialty cheeses because that's where Ingles keeps it. We need mint leaf, that's just for garnish at the end. Raspberry jam, jelly, or preserves. We have raspberry preserves, and I think that's it. We're gonna need some water. Oh, and the juice of 1 lemon. Forgot one thing, heavy whipping cream. I almost forgot that. We're starting with 1.5 cups of heavy cream. Now we're gonna put in both tubs of the mascarpone cheese.
Can I put one yet?
Yeah. And we're gonna mix these until it's smooth. While it's mixing, I'm gonna chop up the frozen peaches just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna start it really low and then we'll speed it up. Okay, you can turn it up to number 4. We just need about 1 cup of the peaches, so I'm gonna just eyeball this about how much will be 1 cup. Alright, we're adding in the peaches. One of y'all asked about this knife the other day. I got this one from Aldi. Now the lemon juice. I'm going to put just half of this lemon because this one is really ready to be squeezed. And I don't want to over lemon juice it, so we'll just start with half. And the last thing we need in this mixture is the sugar. We're going to start with just about 1/2 cup. Okay, we'll mix all that in. I'm going to add a little drop of vanilla. I feel like that should be going in there, so we're going to add it. Okay. Alright, in this bowl we're going to put 1/2 cup of the raspberry preserves. I'm just going to eyeball that. This is what we're going to dip the lady fingers in. And 1 cup of water, and we're going to microwave this for 30 seconds until it's nice and smooth that we can dip the lady fingers in it. Let's see if we need to heat it a little more. I think that's good. So we're just dipping the lady fingers in the raspberry mixture, and we're going to lay them down here on the bottom. I love tiramisus. If you've never had one before, a fruity one is probably the one to try first, especially if you don't like coffee. Because if you try the coffee one, it might kind of throw you off, you know, the dessert tasting like coffee, especially if you don't like coffee. But I love it. That's probably my favorite one, the coffee one, but these ones with the fruit are really good too. Got these two that broke. I think I can fit them right there. Yep, there we go. Now we're going to add half of the cream mixture. They're playing mousetrap over there. This one is going to be really good, y'all. This is like a peach cheesecake tasting layer here almost. And then you've got the raspberry ladyfingers. It's really pretty too with the orange peaches and red raspberries. Okay, now we put a layer of raspberries. These we're going to lay down, and I'm going to try to find the ones that are kind of smushed a little bit. And I'm not going to do like a full covering here on the top. We're just going to put them here and there. Okay, I think that's good on that layer. Now we just repeat the layers. Now we're going to put the raspberries on the top. Alright, that's it. It's going in the refrigerator. It needs to be refrigerated for at least 6 hours, but ours is going to be in there overnight, so it'll be about 12 hours or so before we cut into it to do the taste test. I have a lid for this casserole dish, but it's going to smush the raspberries if I put it on, so I'm just going to lightly cover it with some plastic wrap. And now I'm needed at the table to play mousetrap.
Making a video.
The Olsen family was anger spreading. People are choosing sides. The Olsen offer we lose half the count. Or if I don't, we lose the other half.
Saturday morning, oatmeal is what's for breakfast. all those overnight oats we made earlier this week are gone. So, fresh stovetop oatmeal. I'm trying this hazelnut coffee creamer that I got earlier this week at Ingles this morning. I kept forgetting about it every morning, but I finally remembered today. So we'll see how it is. I used to hate hazelnut creamer. Now it's one of my favorites, probably. I like it better than vanilla or caramel. And that's saying a lot about the caramel, because caramel used to be my favorite. When we get finished with breakfast and I get everything cleaned up, we'll slice into the raspberry peach tiramisu and see how it is. I'm still sleepy this morning. Was that an earthquake? We just had a little earthquake. At first I thought it was really strong wind, but at that moment the wind was not blowing. Okay, the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's slice into this, see how it is. I'm just gonna do little pieces here because we're just taste testing. Jonah's gonna taste test with me. There's what we've got, the cheesecakey peach layer with the whipped cream, raspberries, lady fingers. How is it, Jonah? He's already digging in. Good? Mm-hmm. I'll make sure I get a raspberry. That's really good. It's really light and refreshing and cold, and you get the sweet lady fingers that were dipped in the raspberry jam mixture against the not too sweet peach whipped cream mascarpone mixture. Yeah, that's good. Jonah's already cleared his plate over there. Yep, that's a good one.